If you're thinking about starting a vinyl collection or want to upgrade the turntable you already have at home, this video is for you. Today, I'm bringing you a list of the 5 turntables with the best value for money currently available, ranging from $150 to $600. I've only selected models from reliable, well-known brands that treat records with care rather than damaging them, as is often the case with cheaper turntables. This list includes models ranging from entry-level options to serious audio systems, and I've included links to all of them in the video description. With that said, let's dive into the list. The first turntable we're going to look at is the AT-LP60X from Audio-Technica, and it's the most budget-friendly on the list, priced at around $150. It's also one of the best-selling models in its price range. The LP60X is available in 4 finishes and is quite compact, so it fits easily on any piece of furniture or shelf. It's made of plastic with a transparent flip-top cover that protects it from dust when not in use. The package also includes an RCA output cable and an adapter for 45 RPM records. It is a belt-driven turntable with a straight aluminum tone arm and an integrated dual magnet cartridge from Audio-Technica. Its platter is made of cast aluminum and plays records at 33 and 45 revolutions per minute. The speed variation is 0.25%, which is more than adequate for getting started with vinyl. On the front panel, it has controls for selecting the speed, starting and stopping playback, and manually lifting the tone arm. The great thing about this model is that it's fully automatic, so you just have to place the record on the turntable and press the play button, and the tone arm lifts itself, drops onto the groove, and returns to its resting position when the track ends without you having to touch a thing. As for connections, the LP60X has an RCA output and comes with a built-in preamp, so you can connect it directly to active speakers without needing to buy anything else. But if you ever set up a hi-fi system with its own phono input, you can also turn off the turntable's preamp. The sound quality is really good considering the price, with good clarity, decent stereo separation, and controlled bass. For a first turntable, it more than delivers, and it's a much more reliable option than other cheap models, which often come with poorly calibrated cartridges and damage your records every time you play them. In conclusion, if you want to get started in the world of vinyl without spending a lot of money, and you want an automatic turntable that's easy to use and treats your records with care, the Audio-Technica AT-LP60X is very hard to beat. Moving up a bit in pricing category, in 4th place on the list is the Sony PSLX3 10BT, which at the time of making this video can be found for around $250. This model stands out for its wireless connectivity, as in addition to traditional outputs, it features Bluetooth, a feature that's quite rare in this type of product and will appeal to many people due to its versatility. It's available only in matte black, has a minimalist design, and is a fairly reasonable size, though slightly larger than the previous model. It is a belt-driven turntable that plays records at 33 and 45 revolutions per minute with a fairly refined automatic mechanism. It is made primarily of plastic, with a transparent cover included and a cast aluminum platter measuring nearly 30 centimeters in diameter. On the front panel, it features buttons to power on, start and stop playback, and a dedicated button for Bluetooth pairing. The tone arm is straight, made of aluminum, with a new design from the brand itself intended to improve tracking. Like the previous model, this is a fully automatic turntable. In terms of connections, the 310BT features RCA outputs, a USB port for digitizing your vinyl directly to a computer, and also includes a built-in preamp with a 3-level gain selector, which helps balance the audio between older vinyl records and modern pressings, which often have significantly different volume levels. But as I mentioned earlier, its biggest selling point is Bluetooth, with support for the aptX codec, which improves sound quality compared to the standard Bluetooth codec and allows you to stream the vinyl's audio to wireless speakers, a soundbar, or even wireless headphones. Its sound is better than that of the previous Audio-Technica model, with more body, better stereo imaging, and more pronounced bass thanks to the heavier platter. It sounds slightly better when connected via cable than via Bluetooth, but the difference for home use isn't that significant. One thing that doesn't quite convince me about this model is that the cartridge body can't be replaced. So if you ever want to upgrade it, you'll have to replace the entire turntable. In conclusion, if you want a turntable that's easy to use, has Bluetooth, and integrates well with modern speakers and soundbars, the Sony LX310BT currently strikes me as the best wireless turntable for under $300. In third place is the plainer one from Rega, a British brand with a stellar reputation in the hi-fi world. At the time of making this video, this model is available for around $600. The plainer one is available in 3 finishes and features a minimalist design with no visible buttons, plus a transparent flip-top cover to protect it from dust. It's handcrafted in the UK, and you can feel the quality the moment you take it out of the box. Here we take a significant leap in how the turntable operates. Unlike the previous two, the plainer one is manual, meaning you have to place the tone arm on the record yourself and remove it when finished. It has a hydraulic lift that helps lower the tone arm smoothly, but control is entirely yours. For vinyl purists, this is an advantage, as the automatic mechanisms in cheaper turntables often add some noise to the sound. Its platter is made of 23mm phenolic resin with a flywheel effect to maintain a stable speed, and the motor is a low-noise 24-volt synchronous motor, which reduces vibrations reaching the record. The plainer one's greatest strength lies in its tone arm and cartridge. Its tone arm is handcrafted by Rega, featuring ultra-low friction bearings that allow for very precise tracking. The cartridge is also by Rega and comes pre-installed and factory-tuned. As for connections, the plainer one does not have a built-in Phono preamp, so you'll need an amplifier with a Phono input or an external preamp. The reason is that in serious turntables, the preamp is separated from the turntable itself to avoid electrical noise from the circuitry. In terms of sound, the plainer one represents a leap in quality. It is clearly more faithful to the recording, with a wider soundstage, clearer separation between instruments, and more controlled bass. In conclusion, the Rega Plainer One is a turntable designed for those who already have a hi-fi system set up at home and want to take their first serious step into the world of vinyl. We're moving up to a higher tier with the T1 EVO Phono from Pro-Ject, an Austrian brand with as much of a reputation as Rega in the world of vinyl. This model can be found for around $550 at the time of this video. The T1 EVO Phono is available in glossy black, matte white, or walnut finish, with a very clean and minimalist aesthetic featuring no visible buttons on the base. It is handcrafted in the Czech Republic at Pro-Ject's own factory, using high-quality materials that are evident when handling it. The first thing that catches your eye is its platter, which is made of 8mm tempered glass, helping to dampen resonance much better than a resin or aluminum platter. This is something you normally only see on significantly more expensive turntables. The tone arm is a single-piece aluminum design with an integrated head shell to reduce vibrations, and the pre-installed cartridge is an Audio-Technica OM10 with an elliptical diamond stylus. Another major advantage over the Rega is that the speed change is electronic. You press a button and it switches from 33 to 45 revolutions per minute without having to touch the belt. Plus, this model does have a built-in Phono preamp, so you can connect it directly to active speakers or an amplifier without a Phono input. It's also switchable, so if you upgrade your setup later, you can turn it off and use an external one. As for connections, it features RCA outputs with a low capacitance cable specifically designed by Pro-Ject. The platter's main bearing is machined to a tolerance of 1/1000th of a millimeter with a hardened steel shaft, which results in very smooth and quiet rotation. As for the sound, the isolation feet are specially designed to dampen external vibrations and effectively isolate the turntable from the furniture where you place it. The result is a clean, dynamic sound with drive and punch without sounding clinical. It doesn't sweeten or color the recording, it presents it exactly as it was recorded, with honesty. In conclusion, the Pro-Ject T1 EVO Phono is probably the best choice for anyone looking for a serious hi-fi turntable without having to buy a separate Phono preamp. For less than $600, it's very hard to find a better turntable. We've finally reached the top of the list with another Pro-Ject turntable that's a step above the previous one. It's the Debut Carbon EVO, which retails for around $600 at the time of this video. The Debut Carbon EVO is available in a wide variety of finishes and, like the previous model, is handcrafted in Europe. The sense of quality is palpable the moment you take it out of the box. Its main difference from the rest of the ranking lies in the tone arm. It is the only turntable in the video with a one-piece carbon fiber tone arm and an integrated cartridge mount. Carbon fiber is stiffer and lighter than aluminum, which reduces resonance and allows for much more precise playback. The platter is made of steel and weighs 1.7 kilograms. It features an inner ring of thermoplastic elastomer that acts as both a damper and a flywheel. This results in very stable and quiet rotation, with a speed fluctuation of 0.17% on par with significantly more expensive turntables. The motor also features a damped suspension that better isolates its own vibrations. The cartridge comes pre-installed. It is an Audiophile 2M Red, considered the benchmark cartridge in this price range. A very useful feature is that you can upgrade within Audiophile's own 2M series simply by replacing the stylus with a higher-end one, without having to change the cartridge or the turntable. The speed change is electronic between 33 and 45 revolutions per minute, without having to adjust the belt. It also supports 78 revolutions per minute by swapping the belt for a round one included in the package, which is very useful for collectors of vintage records. There are 3 aluminum feet with internal damping and adjustable height. One thing to keep in mind is that this model does not have a built-in Phono preamp, as it is a turntable designed for a serious hi-fi system where the signal travels to the amplifier without electrical interference. Its sound is simply excellent. It's expansive and fluid, with a spacious soundstage that fills the room and deep bass with real weight without overwhelming the rest of the spectrum. Where the T1 EVO focused on direct impact, the Debut Carbon EVO leans toward a more relaxed and narrative character, designed for long listening sessions where every detail of the record emerges little by little. In conclusion, Pro-Ject's Debut Carbon EVO is, in my opinion, undoubtedly the best turntable around $600 available today. If you're a serious vinyl enthusiast and want a turntable to integrate into your setup and use for many years to come, this is exactly the right model.